Let's look at the shop that maybe wants to sell. Maybe they're dying to sell. Maybe they're ready to get out. But after reading your articles, Laura, they're like, my shop is not in position to sell. And who would want my shop? How long do they have to get their ducks in a row? Maybe the revenue isn't where it needs to be, or, they don't have the right employees in place. Things are chaotic in the shop, whatever the case might be, but they want to sell. How long do they have? Because as you said earlier, sometimes consolidation comes to you first and you're not ready, right? And they're in and out of your city and you better be ready. How long do they have to get their ship in order?
This is a great question. Also, I'll be honest with you. I would say, there's that checkbox that we kind of went down, the 10,000 square foot, the ICAR goal, the this, the that, right? Don't feel like if you don't fall into those boxes or you don't check all those boxes, that doesn't mean that, should the consolidation tide come into your backyard, that doesn't mean that, you're not in a position to sell, or that you're ready, but you don't feel like you're ready. Like you feel like you've got a lot of work to do. I'll be honest with you, it's the old saying, there's a lid to every jar, right? There is a buyer for pretty much every shop in the United States. It's just finding that buyer. It's just, you have to figure out, where do you fit? You know what I mean? Do you fit over in this category, and then finding that buyer. And that's really, quite honestly, really what it comes down to. If it's something where you really want to sell, you need to sell, there is a buyer out there. There is a lid for your jar. We just got, us, you just need to find them.